Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel the Game Changer app subscription. So let's get started. So here we can see the Game Changer app. So if you want to cancel a subscription, you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Then here you have to scroll down at the last. And then you have to click on this app in detail store. It will redirect to the Google Play Store. So here we can see the app. Okay. So here you have to open the app and log in it. So then you have to open your Google Play Store, same. Then here you have to open it. Then at the top right section you can see the account option. Just click on there. Then here you have to click on payment and subscriptions. Then here you have to click on subscriptions. So if it shows on the active section, you have to click on cancel and confirm the cancellation. If it shows on the expired ones, just click on remove and confirm it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.